Hello, my name is Patricia Mannix-McNamara and I am the Head of Education at the University of Limerick in Ireland. I am delighted to introduce you to our online Masters in Education and Leadership. This programme is designed for those who currently are or those who are aspiring to leadership in education, be it in schools or in other educational organisations. If you are already in a leadership position, but you want to build your professional competence in that field, or you want to explore in more depth the theories, the latest research and the practices that are important for you as a leader, then this is the programme for you. To be able to engage fully online with a programme in education and leadership will mean that you will be able to study at a time and in a way that will suit your busy life. Perhaps you're aspiring to be a school principal or a middle leader, or perhaps you're a teacher leader who practices leadership with their peers every day, or you want to gain insight in order to be able to do that. This is the programme that will help you build that skills, that knowledge base in order for you to be able to do this work. A programme like this builds students' personal and professional confidence. To engage in a programme such as this with us means to have the professional currency of a programme from an educational institution that is ranked very highly in the global rankings for education. We would encourage you to get in contact with us and to hear more about this programme. If you're interested in studies such as these, we would be delighted to hear from you.